Tried and true advice for making money online. A lot of people dream about making money on the internet. They are tired of their daily commute and fighting traffic. They wish to remain comfortably at home making money. It is possible to do. Continue watching to learn about the options available to you on the internet. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. If you write, try writing on sites like InfoBarrel and Squidoo. These sites will let you pick the topic of your choice and share a portion of the revenue. Additionally, you can also use Amazon's affiliate program to increase your earning potential. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. You must be ready to prove your identity if you want to make any money online. Lots of opportunities require you to provide traditional forms of identification. If you do not have digital identification, see to it that you get them ready prior to starting. If you have good ears and can type quickly, you might want to look into online transcription jobs. The beginning rates are usually low, but with time and practice, you can build up your skills to tackle some of the better paying jobs. Try looking on Odesk or Elance for some transcription work. Keep in mind that any venture you start needs following up with consistent effort. There are many tips in this video that can help you. It may take some work to get started, but sticking with it will help you succeed. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.